Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do the math from chapter 9 and the name of the chapter is decimals. So here we will solve the maths of decimals number. So let's do the math. Elementary mathematics. Chapter 9 and the name of the chapter is decimals. So here we will do the math from page number 110. Page number 110, exercise 9.4. One. 9.4, exercise 1. So first of all, question number 1. Which one is larger? Express them with relation symbol. Relation symbol means less than, greater than, equal, not greater than, not less than. Those symbols are called relation symbol. So first of all, question number 1 and the number 1 math 0.4, the blank space, and then 0.7. We have to put here the appropriate relation symbol. Which one is greater, which one is smaller? First of all, we need to recognize that. So here 0.4 is smaller than 0.7. That's why this smaller sign will be here. The next one, 5.6 and blank space 6.5. So easily we can say that 6.5 is greater than 5.6. That's why it will be here. 0.1 blank space 0. 0.1 is greater than 0. That's why greater sign will be here. Question number 4. 11 blank space 1.1. So 1.1 is obviously smaller than 11 and 11 is greater than 1.1. So greater sign will be here. The next one, number 5, it is given 5/10 blank space 0.5. So here, if we want to remove the decimal point from this decimal number, suppose 0.5 is a decimal number. If we want to remove the decimal point from this number, we can write the numerator will be 5 and the denominator will be 10. Do you know why? Because if you want to remove the decimal number, the upper number will be 5 same and the denominator for this decimal number will be 1 and after the for this decimal point here will be 1 and after the decimal point only one digit here. That's why 10. If there is only more than one digit, that means 2 or 3 digit after one the decimal point, here will be like the number of zeros. So 5/10 and 0.5, it will be equal sign because both are equal. Now we will go to question number 6. 0.7, the blank space 3/10. So if we want to remove the decimal point from the 0.7, it will be 7/10. So obviously 7/10 will be greater than 3/10. So here the greater sign will be here. And now 7. 0.1 blank space 1 by 10. So as we do before, 0.1, if we want to remove the decimal point from this decimal number, we will get 1 by 10. So this is equal. Now the last one of question number 1, from question number 1, the last math, 10 by 10, the blank space here 1. So if we cut 10 by 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10, ultimately our answer will be 1. So here is 1 and here is 1, so it will be equal. Okay, so the number math is finished here. Now we will do question number 2, addition and subtraction of decimal number. Question number 2, the first math, given 0.6 plus 0.4. So if we do the math like this way, 6 plus 4, 10. 10, 0, in hands 1. This 1 will go over there. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. And the decimal point will be here. So after the addition, ultimately we get the answer. This is 1.0. 2. 0.8 plus 0.5 equal to, what will be the answer? So 0.8, 0.5. 8 plus 5, 13, 3, in hands 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. And the decimal point will be here. So after the addition, we got the answer is 1.3. Then question number 3, 0.6 plus 0.7 equal to what? So 0.6, 0.7 plus 6 plus 7, it will be 13. 13, 3, in hands 1. This 1 will go over there. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. And the decimal point will be the same place. So here the answer is 1.3. Question number 4. 1.8 plus 0.2. So 1.8, 0.2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10, 0, in hands 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. And the decimal point will be the same place. So after the addition, ultimately our answer will be 2.0 or only 2. So up to this, number 4 is has been finished. Okay, now the next math from this question number 2. Now we will do the subtraction of decimal number. It is given 0.7 minus 0.4. So 0.7 and 0.4, we have to subtract these two numbers. So 7 minus 4, 3, and here will be 0. So Ultimately our answer is 0.3 after the subtraction. Now next one, number 6, 1 minus 0.2. 1 is a whole number and 0.1 is a whole number and 0.2 is a decimal number. From this whole number we need to subtract the decimal number. So before doing the subtraction, we will take one 0 over there. So 0 minus 2, we cannot subtract 2 from 0. That's why from here I will take 1 and it will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. It will become 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So after the subtraction it will be 0.8. Number 7. 1.2 minus 0.3. So 1.2, 0.3. So 3 is greater than 2. From 2 we cannot subtract 3. So from here I will take 1 and it will become 12. 12 minus 3, it will be 9. And here will be no number again. So 0 minus 0, 0. After the subtraction we got the answer 0.9. The last number math from question number 2. 2 minus 0.4. So 2, 0.4. 2 is a whole number and 0.4 is a decimal number. From this whole number we need to do the subtraction, the decimal number. For subtraction I will take 0 just after the decimal point of 2. We cannot subtract 4 from this 0. So I will take 1 and it will become 10 and it will become 1. 10 minus 4, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. So this is 1.6. Finished. Now we will do question number 3. Do vertical calculation. Question number 3. Do vertical calculation. The first math of question number 3 is 1.2 plus 3.6. So here we have to do addition. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. And the decimal point will be the same place. Then question number 2. 2.8, 1.5 plus 8 plus 5, 13, 3 in hands 1. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Here the decimal point. So after the addition the answer is 4.3. The next math, number 3. 4.7 plus 3.9. So 7 plus 9, 16, 6 in hands 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. The decimal point will be here. So the answer is 8.6 after addition. Question number 4. 3. 6.8 plus Here will be 8. 6 plus 3, it will be 9. 9.8 is answer. Number 5. 4.1 plus 3.9. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. In hands 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8.0. Then question number 6. 3.4 minus 1.3. This is the decimal subtraction. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 2.1. Finished. Number 7. 5 minus 2.8. Though this is subtraction, so here 8 is a single, the upper number is 0. So we cannot subtract 8 from 0. So from here I will take 1, it will become 10, and the 5 will be 4. 10 minus 8, 2, the decimal point, and 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 2.2. Question number 8. 7 minus 6 minus, 7.6 minus 1.6. 6 minus 6, 0. Decimal point, 7 minus 1, 6. So here the answer is 6.0. The next math, question number 9. 6.3 minus 5.5. So we cannot subtract 5 from 3. That's why I will take 1 from the 6, and this 3 will be 13, and the 6 will become 5. 13 minus 5, 8. Decimal point, 5 minus 5, 0. So the answer is 0.8. Then the last math of this question number 3, vertical calculation. The last math is 9.1 minus 8.9. So 1 is smaller than 9. So I will take 1 from this 9. It will become 10. It will become 11, and it will become 8. 11 minus 9, 2. Decimal point, 8 minus 8, 0. So after the subtraction we got the answer 0.2. Finished. Now we will do question number 4. This is structured math. Gautam's house is 8.2 km to the west of the school. Shima's house is 9 km to the east of her house. So 1. How far is Shima's house from Gautam's house? here we have to find out the total distance. And question number 2, how many kilometers are the distance from school to Shima's house, then the distance from the school to Gautam's house? Here we have to compare the distance and also need to find out the difference. So let's do the math. Question number 4. Suppose this is school. This is Shima's house. And the distance from school to Shima's house is 9 kilometers. This is Gautam's house. And the distance from school to Gautam's house is 8.2 kilometers. In question number 1, it is said that how far is Shima's house? This is Shima's house. And this is Gautam's house. So it is said that how far is Shima's house from Gautam's house. So here we have to do the addition of these two distance. The total distance is 9 kilometers plus 8.2 kilometers. 9 plus 8.2 kilometers. Let's do the rough here. 9, 8.2. We have to do addition here. Here will be 2. 9 plus 8, 17. So if we do the addition of these two distance, finally we will get the answer 17.2 kilometers. And here the answer will be 17.2 kilometers. Finished. Now we will do the next part of this math. Question number 2. How many kilometers are the distance from school to Shima's house and then the distance from school to Gautam's house? So here we have to find out the difference of these two distance. The difference is 9 kilometers plus 9 kilometers minus 8.2 kilometers. So 9 minus 8.2 kilometers. Here we have to do subtraction. 9, 8.2 minus. So for subtraction I will take here 0. So we cannot do we cannot subtract 2 from 0. From this 9 I will take 1, it will become 10 and it will become 8. 10 minus 2, 8. And 8 minus 8, 0. And the decimal point will be the same place. So after the subtraction it will be 0.8 kilometers. So here we find the difference of the distance, and the answer is 0.8 kilometers. Finished.